Standard 9, Subject Geography, Chapter 4, Exogenetic Process, Part 2. Today we will learn about the work of the wind and the landform produced. Wind is a gaseous agent of erosion. The erosional, transportational and depositional work of wind is more prominent in deserts and semi-arid regions. As mechanical weathering occurs on a large scale here, powdered rock and sand spreads over a large area. There is hardly any obstacles in the transportational work of the wind. Sand particles also get transported along with the wind and they are carried over longer distance and get deposited where the speed of the wind reduces. In this way, the wind does the work of erosion, transportation and deposition. Erosional work of wind. Wind carries small sand particles, small pebbles, etc. along with it. These particles cause erosion along rocks coming in the way due to frictions. This leads to formation of mushroom rocks, deflation hollows, yardings. Depositional work of winds, sand particles that blow with the wind are of different shapes and size. Those particles which are very fine are carried over larger distances while the larger one get transported to shorter distances only. These sand particles get deposited in deserts and semi-arid climates. As a result, specific landforms are formed. Sand dunes, birchens, shelves, ripple marks, loess plains, etc. are formed by wind deposition. Work of sea waves and the landforms. In coastal areas, sea waves carry out erosional, depositional and transportational work. Winds and tides cause the movements of sea water and as a result, waves come to the coast. Because of their hitting the rocks at the coast, erosions of the rocks occurs. In coastal areas having wide beaches, waves carry out depositional work. Erosional work of sea waves. When the waves break at the coast, they bring with them water, transported stones, pebbles, sand particles, etc. This leads to the erosions of the coast. Because of the chemical and hydraulic action of the sea wave too, erosion occurs. Landforms like wave cut, platforms, sea caves, sea arches, sea cliffs, etc. are formed because of the erosional work of the waves. Depositional work of sea waves. The eroded materials accumulate at the sea bed because of tides. They keep on moving towards the coast and away from the coast. They become fine because of attrition and hitting each other. Deposition of such materials occur at the places where the effect of waves is less. Landform like beaches, sandbars, lagoons are formed due to depositional work of the sea waves. Work of groundwater and landform produced. The rainwater seeps below the earth's surface through porous rocks or cracks in the rocks. This water accumulates in the non-porous layer of the rock. This accumulated water is called groundwater. The soluble minerals in the water get dissolved and flow with the groundwater. This is the erosional work of the groundwater. When the groundwater evaporates or the volume of soluble minerals is more than the solubility of the groundwater, the deposition of dissolved materials start. Landforms like sinkholes, limestone caves, stalactites and stalagmites are formed. Thus, the groundwater carries out the erosion, transportation and depositional work. Thank you.